So now let's see how we can work around with Guided Photomerge Faces option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So over here you can see that I have an image right here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the file menu right here, and I'm going to go around onto open to open out another picture along with the picture that is already open. So I got two pictures now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to merge out the faces of these two pictures. So now what you need to do is you need to go around onto the guided option right here. And once you go around onto the guided option, under Photomerge, you can see Photomerge Faces is an option. And once you open it out, you can see that one photo opens up. You can go around and drag in the other photo over here to start merging these out right here. So now you can grab the alignment tool right here, just like this. So you can go around and align out, let's say for example, the boy's face right here, just like this. So let me just go around over here and align out the eyes right here, just like this, and the nose right here. And I'm going to do the same over here as well. I'm just going to go around and align out the eyes and the nose right here, because it's much more easier to align. So you can go around and align it, and you can see that the alignment becomes like this. You can go around and then make few adjustments over here as well and align up the photos if you're not happy with it again. But let me just go around and press Ctrl Z right here. So now you can go around onto the pencil tool right here, as you can see, and then you can work around with the size of the pencil tool. And then what you can do is you can start drawing along right here, and what happens is that you'll start seeing the merger effect right here, just like this. So you can see that over here I can go around and draw out, and you can see that the merger effect starts happening. But I don't want this, so I'm just going to go around and undo this. I'm just going to slowly draw out by using the pencil tool, and you can see that you start seeing the portions of the other image right here. So let me just go around and then draw out right here. And I'm just going to go around onto the merger section that I want. So just like this, you can see that I can go around and draw this, and you can see the merger happening right here. You can go around and show or disable the strokes and show the regions over here as well, just like this, which is merged out. So once you're happy with the amount of merger, you can go around and click on next right here, just like this, and then continue editing. So you can see that that is what you have right here. This is the merger. So I can go around over here. Let me just go around and continue editing this in quick, and let me just crop out the image right here. So if I were to go around onto the image crop out option, we can go around and then resize this right here, just like this. And this is what you have. You can crop out to the section that you want, and there you go. You can see that the merger is complete now. So that is how you can work around with Guided Photomerge Faces option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.